Velmiro Heights CDO is perfectly located on the hills of Agusan CDO. You can take in the breathtaking views of both Macalajar Bay and the hills of Bukidnon. Come join me, let's enter so you can see your future community. There are 5 different well-designed homes, so you're sure to find the right one for your family. The houses come featured with painted walls and partitions, tiled toilet and baths, kitchen countertops, kitchen base cabinets, operable casement windows, balconette or balcony, service areas, clear glass windows, long-span pre-painted roofs, carport, and individual utility meters. The interiors of the house are equally The kitchen comes finished with countertops and base cabinets that you can deck out with the equipment you need to whip up meals for the family. All bedrooms are spacious and comfortable for your family's different needs. To top it off, the clear glass windows are perfectly placed to take advantage of the views, but at the same time, still secure the privacy of the rooms. Experience the premium amenities that you can share and enjoy with your community. The centerpiece is Club Mira, a premium clubhouse that houses both adult and kiddie pools, fitness gym, chapel, function hall. There's also a basketball court located in the development for more physical activity options. All these amenities are all for the residents to enjoy. Everything you need to know about the Velmiro Heights CDO is here on the CLI 360 virtual page. You can also download the primer of the development so you can take it with you offline, and you can also share it with your family. So what are you waiting for? Check out the Velmiro Heights CDO CLI 360 virtual tour.